This boldness and rude behavior enraged Athena. In a second, the old woman disappeared. In her place stood the magnificent goddess Athena. So Athena got very furious after seeing this boldness and rude behavior of Arachne. Okay, in a second, the old lady disappeared from there. Disappeared, it means vanished. She vanished from there, and there, and she changed into goddess Athena, magnificent goddess Athena. Magnificent means attractive. The frightened villagers knelt down to worship her. So many villagers were there beside. Okay, they start when they saw the goddess Athena, they started worshipping her. Arachne showed no fear and paid no attention to them or the goddess. But Arachne stood there very proudly, okay, and she showed no, she did not give any attention to goddess and also did not fear. Come along, you rude girl, said Athena. Let me see how good you are. We shall have a competition 3 days from today. So goddess Athena challenged her to come in front and have a competition after 3 days. The great Zeus ruler of the goddess will judge. Okay, so the judge will be Zeus, the great Zeus ruler. Let me see who is better weaver, you or I. So in this way they will find out who is better weaver, goddess Athena, or it can be Arachne. If your work is better than mine, I shall stop weaving. So goddess Athena told her that if Arachne's work will be better, then she will stop weaving. If, however, you win this competition, you will stop weaving. You will not touch loom anymore. Okay, so they got a challenge now. Whoever will lose the competition, they will stop weaving. Next, Arachne was not worried. She loved to show off, was sure that she would win the competition. Okay, so we can see here that Arachne was not worried at all. Okay, she knew that she will be the winner. She had that confidence that she will win the competition, and yes, she agreed to the challenge. I shall win this competition and show the world that I am the best weaver of all time. So here she challenges that she is a best weaver of all time and she will be the winner. 3 days later, the people gathered to witness the competition between a goddess and a village girl. So after 3 days, the people gathered to witness a competition between goddess Athena and Arachne. How bold could Archana get? The people were afraid of her. Now the people started thinking that how bold this Arachne is. Arachne sat down to weave a magnificent piece of cloth. So the competition started where Arachne sat down to weave a magnificent piece of cloth. She used the colored thread so expertly. So she started using the colored thread expertly because she was experienced weaver. She had been weaving since she was a child and had a plenty of practice. Even Zeus looked down at her wonderful work and nodded his head. And even the Zeus, the great Zeus ruler of gods, okay, he was also surprised and he was happy to look at her work. It was then the turn of Athena, and there then comes the turn of Athena. She was the goddess of wisdom who knew every art and craft. So, as goddess Athena was the goddess of wisdom and she knew all the arts and craft, she began to weave using the brightness of the sun. So now she started weaving the cloth by using brightness of the sun, by using the green of the grass and the blue of the sky. She wove a beautiful piece of cloth where we can see beautiful mountains, valleys, rivers, and trees. Also, she made flowers and fruits and all the birds and animals on earth. She also wove a kingdom of God. So, in a piece of cloth, she also she wove a kingdom of gods and goddesses performing heroic deeds. The people stared in the wonder and the work of the goddess. So now we can compare that uh, goddess goddess Athena's work was beautiful than Arachne. Clear?